Hi everyone, welcome to Module 3 of 525. For the announcement, I'd like to first recap what you studied in Module 2. You learned about the Silent Way method, the Desuggestipedia method, the Community Language Learning or CLL method, and TPR. These four methods make big changes from the previous methodologies towards student independence and viewing the student as a whole person, as well as stepping away from that grammar-driven focus of previous methods. In this module, Module 3, you will learn about four more methodologies which continue to move in the direction of communicative competence and the use of real language, thus the use of authentic materials. First, you'll read about Krashen's natural approach. You can download the PDF in the Module 3 content folder. You learned about Krashen's theories of SLA and TESOL 510. And now in 525, the focus is on his proposed methodology for teaching and learning. You'll also learn about the communicative approach, within which are the communicative language teaching, or CLT, content-based instruction, or CBI, and task-based instruction, or TBI. You'll first read about CLT, which attempts to connect the whole person to the whole language and teach how to actually communicate in English. There is not a specific set of techniques that are prescribed to this method, so each classroom can look quite different. Next, you'll learn about CBI, in which the focus is the content and the language is the medium through which the students learn. And finally, you'll read about TBI, which focuses on using authentic tasks to teach and learn a language. For your assignments this week, you have your discussion board as usual. Your initial post is due Thursday night by midnight Pacific time, and then your responses to two peers are due Sunday night. You'll also have the short comprehension check on Module 3 reading that is also due Sunday night by midnight. Then you have your live synchronous Collaborate session for your methodologies grid assignment, and you do this with only your peers and not me. Since I will not be there, because this is intended to be a student group project. Please remember, though, that somebody needs to record the session. You just hit the record button once you're in the room together and you start doing your project. Someone needs to record it so that I can review the session just for the purpose of giving you a grade in terms of your attendance and participation. Remember that you have to complete the methods that were assigned to you prior to the session. Then during the Collaborate session, you're going to teach your peers about your methods. You will learn from your peers about their methods and then leave with an almost completed methodologies summary grid. This is a jigsaw technique. So you will submit your summary grid individually, meaning everyone will get an individual grade even though you are sharing your work. And so your completed grid is due Sunday night by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I hope you have an awesome week 3. I look forward to seeing your work.